MG is keeping its popular Hector SUV fresh for 2026 with a subtle update that focuses more on technology than radical design changes. First launched in India back in 2019, the MG Hector quickly became known for offering big screens and strong value for money. After a major facelift in 2022, MG is now rolling out a second refresh aimed at staying competitive in one of India's busiest SUV segments. From the outside, the 2026 MG Hector and its three-row sibling, the Hector Plus, remain instantly recognizable. The biggest visual change is the redesigned front grille, which now features a new mesh pattern for a cleaner and slightly more modern look. The lower bumper has been gently reshaped, while the rear design looks a bit more aggressive than before. Signature elements like the split LED headlights and the full-width LED taillight strip remain unchanged, helping maintain the Hector's identity. MG also adds a new set of 18-inch alloy wheels and introduces two fresh exterior colors called Celadon Blue and Pearl White. These small updates are clearly meant to keep the Hector visually relevant without alienating existing fans. Inside the cabin is where the most talked about upgrade appears. The familiar 14-inch vertical touchscreen remains, but it now introduces MG's new I-Swipe gesture control system. This feature allows drivers to control climate settings, music playback, and volume using hand gestures across the screen with 2 or 3 fingers. MG promotes this as a way to reduce distraction by minimizing the need to press physical buttons, although some drivers may find gestures less intuitive than traditional controls, especially on the move. Beyond gesture control, the Hector continues to offer a strong list of features. Depending on the variant, buyers get a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, a 360-degree camera system, panoramic sunroof, powered tailgate, and Level 2 advanced driver assistance systems. Interior themes differ by model, with the two-row Hector keeping its ice gray finish, while the Hector Plus gains a new urban tan color scheme for a more upmarket feel. Mechanically, there are no surprises. The Hector continues with the turbocharged 1.5-liter petrol engine producing 141 horsepower and 250 newton-meters of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a CVT, both driving the front wheels. MG has also confirmed that the 2-liter turbo diesel engine sourced from Stellantis will return soon, offering 168 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque for those who prefer diesel power. The updated MG Hector is already open for orders in India. Prices start at 11.99 lakh rupees, making it one of the most affordable feature-packed SUVs in its class. With gesture controls and premium tech at a budget-friendly price, MG is clearly betting that innovation will keep the Hector competitive.